Hi and welcome back. This is Lily and today I'm going to show you my facial massage routine using facial rollers. Before starting the massage, I do my basic skincare routine. I cleanse, use a toner, and then I pat on a very thin layer of face oil, usually 2-3 drops. When using facial rollers, your skin should not be greasy, so less is more. The tools that I'm currently using are the Skin Gym facial rollers. They are handcrafted and sturdy, which is important because a good quality roller can last for a very long time. And they come in different stones, including Jade, blue solidite, and rose quartz, which is what I'm using in this video. The larger side can be used for larger areas of the face, while the smaller side works well around the eyes. I prefer to use 2 rollers at the same time so I can work on both sides of my face simultaneously, but you may also use one and work on one side at a time. There are several techniques and ways to massage the face with rollers, but the guidelines are simple. Use very light pressure, let the tool do the job for you, and roll from the center of the face moving outwards. I like to start with my forehead and move towards the neck. When I'm in a rush, I try to repeat each movement at least 3-4 times, but typically I spend some extra time and roll for about 3 to 5 minutes. I was initially introduced to facial rollers years ago as a tool to improve the product penetration into the skin, but massaging the skin with a facial roller has additional benefits as well. It encourages lymphatic drainage, helping toxins to be moved towards the glands, which may be beneficial for congested, acne-prone skin. It also helps to relieve muscle tension. It stimulates blood flow, which may help to boost collagen production. It helps to reduce puffiness with the cooling effect of the stone. And the cooling effect may also be beneficial for people with inflammatory skin conditions like rosacea. Although the roller stays cool, I occasionally wrap mine in a towel and put them in the fridge so that the extra cold stone helps to constrict blood vessels and therefore it helps to reduce puffiness and redness. But most importantly, this is a soothing and cooling practice that feels good. This has become my favorite part of my skincare and self-care routine. I love it in the morning for reduced puffiness and awaken my skin, so to speak, and at night to relax and relieve tension in my face. I find it feels so much better than fingers because of the cooling effect and the gentle pressure. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please check the info box for more information on the tools that I used, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.